All right, I think we're ready to come in, folks. Yeah, I think we're looking good. What is going on, guys? It is what day? Thursday. Dude, I love it. I love all my chess streams, but I'm telling you, I love Thursdays. This is not hype. This is not anything. I love playing viewers and going over my tournament games, guys, which is the most important thing. You got to look at your games to see how you can improve. I'm going to go over some of the lower rated games a little quicker because I played at 2300. It was a really good game, and that's the one I really need to learn from. This was Ville Michael. He's rated 666 chess.com rating points. And I said a little something during the game because I was mind blown. I was mind blown. Let's go back here. I play a lot of chess. When I'm playing a 666 that like develops his pieces, castles, doesn't drop pawns, and maintains a good position for many moves in a row, it's like, what is happening here? I'm just mind blown. I'm mind blown. Hey, Dusty, how you doing, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. And so but you know, the funny thing is, if you go back and look at the game, I had one great move, he had none. I played 70% accuracy, he played 60% accuracy. I had 15 best moves, he had 5. Okay, so I did play way better than him. I'm supposed to, but I played like an 1150. I'm 1700. Look at this. I had 1 miss, 2 blunders, 3 mistakes, 2 inaccuracies. It's just not a really good game by me. And I felt like he was playing so great, but a lot of it was that I wasn't playing so great. And that happens. That happens sometimes when you play a lower rated person and you start going, what's going on here? Why this guy's 600? Why didn't you drop a pawn yet, right? And then you realize I'm not doing anything high level. I'm playing just moves. And when you do that, people can make they make moves too. E4, okay, I'm playing. Oh yeah, I'm going into a normal French with this guy. So I decided to play the Alpin Gambit in the French defense. I call it the Bishop E3 French, is what I've been calling it for 35 years or something. And the idea is push this pawn. And you kind of force him to take it, because if he doesn't take it, I'm going to take. If he does something like this, I can just go here. If he does something like bishop, I take. And now I have the open file. I didn't sack a pawn. And I have the way better center, right? And then the way it usually goes is they take, and I take. Now I'm supposed to be 1 piece ahead of him in development, right? But I'm 2 pieces ahead of him in development, and I've got a good pawn here, and I've got a half-open f-file. That's sack. Is it worth the pawn? No, it's a gambit. But this is not a good gambit. I'll tell you guys, no, I'm not going to tell you guys how to beat it. You guys got to figure it out yourself, because I might play it again. Bishop e3 is the best move. Castle's fine. Castles. I'm playing viewers today, and my challenges are open, and I'm going to, if I start seeing some challenges, I'll start doing that as soon as we get done analyzing this game. This is a mistake. Centralize the knight so it controls more squares. Either knight or knight. That's excellent. So it's knight to this square. Yeah, hit the bishop and look at e5. See, this is a very, very good move, and it's not hard to see. But I'm playing a 600, so I'm like, well, connect my rooks. I probably said that. Connect my rooks. It's not a good move. It's not a good move. When this isn't a bad move in itself, but this move is so much better. It's like, now he's got to move his bishop. He should move his bishop. And I improve my knight, and I get this square e5. If he wants to let me take, that's fine. That's his good bishop. This is his bad bishop because it's blocked by his center pawn. See what I'm saying? All right. So, queen e2. That's a blunder. And I had an opportunity to win material through an eventual fork. Wow. Is it what? C4? Takes? No. They don't give hint, and they don't get retry. Okay, that was his best move. But explain. I found the right idea. Oh, okay, so he did give me a shot and I saw it. Okay. Check. Okay. Let me get back to here because at some point this 600 is winning. Knight F7 is best. Bishop check is a great move. King H1 is a great move. Yeah, we're playing okay here, guys. We're playing okay chess. Bishop back is the best move. Take was okay. What does it want? I could have took his queen. I'm like, this guy's not playing like a 600 player. He is playing like a 600 player. He dropped his queen and I didn't see it. See what I'm saying, guys? That's why I got to check myself sometimes. It's saying this is the best. Because what? Oh, if I take, what happens? He has check, king, check. Oh, and I have to play like rook f2. Wow. Takes, and rook takes, or knight take. Rook takes. Okay, so yeah, see, so this isn't so great. Is this great for me? He's going to have a rook in 2 pieces for the queen. And I'm better because his king is weak. But, because I can just start making threats instantly, right? But still, look, these knights cancel. These rooks cancel. He has a rook, a bishop, and a knight for a queen. That's why I didn't take the queen. So I guess it's okay that I didn't take the queen. Hey, official real spider. The official, not to be confused with these fake spiders walking around the world. Matthew McLean said, I couldn't play in your tournament yesterday. Had to pick the misses up, LOL. Still at 1325. Good in rapid, so things are looking good. Good for you, Matthew. What do you do to get better at chess, Matthew? Because if you're 1300, you've learned something. So this was best. Check. Rook up. Come here. He has a queen check. Knight d4 is best. Why don't I just take with check? Again, take with check. Knight takes, and what? Knight e4. c4 kicking a knight and trading queens. He has a check. What do? Come back. And knight b4. Do I play a3? No. Queen c3. And we're playing chess from here, but I'm better. But like, see how weak my king is? I missed moves, man. Knight comes, hits my queen. I take with check. Check. And it is in this position that he resigned. He resigned. I don't understand why. Oh, because it's my move. c3. He gets a check. Bring the queen back, protecting. This is all good for me, and then I'm winning a knight. Knight d c2, and then rook c1. No, it just says take. 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 And I am up a piece for 2 pawns. This is still a game. I think he resigned a little early. I think he resigned a little early, guys. What do you think? Mouth says, I'm only 379. I just started a month ago. Cool, dude. I'm still playing viewers. Send it. It's pinned. That's a good move, Charlie. Oh, man, I wish I knew which one you were talking about, Official Real Spider. Dude, tell me what your name, where your name comes from, Official Real Spider. I like the Connor McChicken. There's a guy named Connor McChicken that comes in here. That's a great name. I'm going to start looking at my next game, but when I get a challenge, I'm going to start taking challenges. If you guys want to play me, it's in the pinned comment, Rosewood Telly. You can also maybe see it on your screen if you're on a computer. This is a game against a 2300. I'm going to save that. I'm going to save that because that's one I really want to spend some time on. I'm going to do that toward the end of the stream. Toward the end of the stream, folks, because I really need to learn from that. I need to learn from that game. This is my game against Falevo. I played 83% accuracy. He played 77. Yeah. I just played better than him. I played like a 2000. He played like a 50-50. I remember. And this guy's no joke. This guy's 15-18. This guy plays good moves, guys. Yeah, I was just better the whole game. Look at the squiggler on this, man. Look at that. Where's this? Where's my squig? How come I can't get a squiggler? There we go. Here comes the squiggler, guys. The squiggler is populating. Come on, chat. There we go. See that? There was one time I made a mistake. I made a mistake in the opening, and he actually... Oh, no, Mouth. I'm sorry. I know you probably aren't good at playing Blitz if you're low rated, but I can't play you a 10-minute game. There's not enough time in the day. It has to be 3-minute unrated. My name comes from Grandmaster in chess, so my chess account is Grand Real Chess, and am a perfect chess player, so I named myself Official Real Spider because there are other people who pretend to me. You're a Grandmaster? That's amazing. It's almost like a unicorn. Believe it or not, I've had Grandmasters in my chat before. And I've had Eric Rosen comment on one of my videos on Facebook. Okay, so let's go. Let's get to the opening. I think we probably get out of book pretty quick. Okay. Castles is good. Bishop F4 is better. Bishop F4. What am I stopping? Oh, I guess if I'm stopping this move. G6. This was a mistake. When I saw this, I called it. G6 is not what you do here. Probably because of the pin, because of the time. Just Bishop E7. Knight D4, Queen D4, Bishop E7. Yeah. It's like if you walk around casually saying, oh, I think I feel like castling queenside today. Or, there's more than one way to develop a bishop. I think I'll fee and cheat on my bishop. No. Now, I'm not going to lie. This is a really great, beautiful looking diagonal. Okay? The reason why I knew it was a bad move is because no one does that in this position. No Grandmaster does that. In this position, let's go to the opening, the master database. There's only one game, but it's a 2800 versus a 2652. This is not how you play the black side of this is like an Italian game, right? Scotch game, Scotch Gambit. Did I give up a pawn? No, but I played D4. I don't understand why they call it that. Okay, whatever. Let's get through the game. So I get the pin. I think a 8-6 is probably a good move. Nope. Best move is still Bishop E7. It's just kind of weird. He plays. Now I come with the pressure. This is why. You spent 2 moves to trade off this bishop. I can just trade and weaken your dark squares. That's why it's a bad move. Yeah. Can we play? Absolutely. Send it. You got to send me 3-minute unrated. Sorry, I will send you an unrated game if I can. I never played against someone as good as you. That's okay. 3-minute unrated. It has to be 3-minute, no increment, unrated. So you can see the pressure here, right, guys? That's why this is just too slow. 3-minute unrated. We got one. Play well, my friend. And I mean, yeah, looking at a lower rated player, Canada, dude. We have friends from Canada, bro. What do you play here? G6? I think that loses. I think we defend here. And then the bishop comes. He does. The bishop doesn't even come, folks. Now we just develop for free. Because the queen can't take. And this is what I kind of expected from a 340 player, is him playing kind of slow. But he's actually up on time right now. But he's played some pretty bad moves. Hit the queen. Okay. Now, I believe I play this move, or do we... I think we go all the way. Do we go for the money, guys? Let's go for the money. Is the queen trapped? I think the queen's trapped. And mouth, this will work against low-rated players. But against a good player, and if you want to become a good player, you don't bring your queen out early. And this is why. Eric Rosen can do it, because he's not going to let his queen get trapped. And he does, but he doesn't. He doesn't. It's just, yeah. So this is a really good lesson for you. This is exactly why you don't bring your queen out early. It's too dangerous. Look, you got to bring peace. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something Yasser Seirawan told me, and we teach this in my workshops. It is your job in the opening to claim your fair share of the center, which I have done. Develop your pieces effectively. I brought my knight attacking your queen, right? I developed my piece effectively. I took my fair share of the center effectively by playing this move and trapping your queen. And then you develop your pieces effectively and castle. That's your job. That's your job. What do you do here? Just, you're just looking at my pawn. Just bend it, I guess. There we go. And now we're even on time again. You should be trying to castle. I know you're thinking, like, if I could take this, I see the tactic. No, but I could play knight takes. Yeah, and now you're giving up your bishop for a knight for no reason. And Gotham Chess has torn us a new one, complaining and asking, why are you giving up bishops for no reason? You say, I doubled your pawns. How much time have you spent with your endgame manual this week? Because the pawns are weak if you're going to attack them. The pawns are weak if you're going to attack them and you're going to win them. In the endgame, most likely. Okay, he comes here. That scared me. Here. Hitting the knight. Threatening stuff. I think we're okay on knight takes to play this move. Because I'm so much material. He can have the rook if he wants it. You can have it. If not, yep. Now I'm going to say check. Now whose pawns are messed up? This is mate, right? This is mating. No, he can come to this square. Yeah, you can. But now I'm going to hunt. Hunting. Sacrificing more material. The pawns. Now I save the bishop from the attack. Then I'm going to bring the rook, and the rook and the queen are going to mate the king. And he's not going to get away on this diagonal. Goes there. Is this... check and mate, right? Yeah. I had to watch the clock, man. I could lose this game. Can I get your advice on a game I played? It got me over 1,300. I know I blundered, but I want your thoughts. You know what, man? I appreciate the offer, but no, I don't do that. I will tell you this, though, Matthew McLean, and I'm not, but this is something I do for our subscribers. If you sub on Twitch, which you can do for free if you have Amazon Prime, right? Or if you're a supporter on Facebook or a member on YouTube, I do monthly chess workshops. This weekend is no workshop, but next weekend is a chess workshop. It's a private chess stream to people that are subscribers on Twitch, members on YouTube, and supporters on Facebook. And then we go to your history in chess.com, we pick one of your games, and we look at it, and we do exactly what you're asking me to do. But that's not what we do today, and I don't do that on a regular basis to everybody. There wouldn't be enough time in the day. Everyone would say, "Look at my game! Look at my game! Look at my game!" The first one was the 1900, so I'm gonna take the 1900, and the next one I saw one there. I should have read the name. D4 Knight F6. B Harzakarika. This guy is playing. This guy studied. He's 1900 for a reason. Joe Bava is in his house, folks. What is Joe Bava doing in my house? Okay. This feels like probably not a bad move. Oh no, my knight's hanging. I guess takes. I gotta move faster, guys. Wow, he's getting the square already. Am I getting mated? These are the traps. I fell for the Obama London trap. Look, guys, I have no moves. I have no moves. TJ Thor, did you just see this? Did you just see this? Look, this is a known trap. It must be. It must be. I have one move, and then I'm checkmated by a rook. I can't move my king. I have to go here. He had it pre-moved. Dude. You came prepared, man. 1900s come prepared. Ooh, I got a friend request from McLean the Knight and Grand Real Chess, anonymous GM question mark. And we are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? This is my promise to you. Robert Pritchard, how you doing, dude? Dude, I totally, no, I know. The minute I saw it, I'm like, this is a well-known trap. Yeah. Yep. I have some lines like that, some trap lines like that, like in the Latvian Gambit, in the Urasov Gambit. Yeah, I mean, just like, I could see how people fall for that because, what did I do wrong? What did I mean, obviously, in this position, like, what am I supposed to do here? Opens. I'm supposed to play, but what? I'm supposed to play D6. Knight FD7? I don't get it. I don't understand what's happening here. The database is not helping me at all. So what? I got to go to game review. I have to figure out. This is a time you can learn from a bullet game. D6 or C5 are fine. I played D6. After E5 is a question mark. I'm supposed to play Knight H5 now. And we have all this pressure here, and this is hanging. Yep. Okay. So after takes. Knight H5 is better than bringing the rook into the game. Let him take my rights. Can't he just then play... Oh, rook D2 check. I can Yeah. I could do something. I mean, he can mess some stuff up, but I'm on a I could even play C6. No. But the point is, I just gotta play Knight H5. Dude, great game. Okay. Get me back, send me a challenge now. I just had a challenge a minute ago, but I had to look at that. When I, chess Figueres 3 minute, I don't think, it doesn't say unrated. It's got, chess, it needs to be 3 minute unrated. Pritchard, what are you doing, man? Robert Pritchard, good to see you. Good to see you again. You need chess premium. I love it. For the week I had it. Yeah, crazy how you can find the mistake. Can't you look at your games for free on chess.com? You just don't get game review. But you can turn on an engine, right? An engine. Wait, hello everyone. Toasty Cheese It, how you doing? Matthew said we all for that once a week I feel wait and useful tips for new players that people overlook. Yes, basics. You need the basics. I have a video on my YouTube channel called Chess Opening Principles Explained. I don't just say knights before bishops. I tell you why and show you why knights before bishops. And you need to learn those basic opening principles and you need to apply them. You don't need to memorize openings when you're rated 300. You need to learn the basic opening principles and apply them the best way you can. And then you need to do puzzles and stuff. You can copy the PGN and go to a different site for reviews. That's true too. That's true too. There he goes. This guy is not getting the memo on the unrated. I'm going to challenge you to a 3-minute game, and I'm going to take rated off. All right, chess Figueres. Whoa. It looks like there's 2 boards here. D4. 1447. Wow, we got a real chess player here, guys. We got a real chess player here, folks. You absolutely love to see it. Brings the knight. Do I play F4? He's 1400. That means he's probably a pretty good chess player. No, I'm going to develop my piece. I'm going to D and C, folks. D and C. And I got to move faster. Just shows you no matter how good you are, you can still blunder the game. If I fall, yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. I'm just going to get developed, guys. You spent 2 moves. Okay, we're going to come here. There could be if he pushes, taking might be a mistake because he can take and he'd be on my queen. He didn't, so we're going to do this. And then I think we come here, right? My knight, where's my knight going to go though, man? Oh, it can come to a... Yeah, we're okay. Because I'll take with check. So this is a real threat. It's a real threat, folks. Only here at Charly Sardo Gaming do you see real chess threats. Branson, how you doing, dude? No worries. Good luck in the elo growth, though. Yeah. Okay. The knight comes. Giving up a pawn and kind of ruling out the problems I was having with this move. You spent 2 moves trying to chase my knight away. I'm on the rook. Okay, I'm on the pawn. Do I take the pawn or do I bring my rooks? If I take the pawn, what happens? Yeah, we're trading queens. This is good. I'm up enough material to trade queens. This feels okay. Now watch him do the trap. Watch him do the Topava London trap that I just fell for. That was crazy. Are you a GM, Charlie? Have deads? No. But I'm a threat to. Not really a threat to. But I'm here. And I'm playing chess. I love the way he can't double. Because of my bishop. it's a beautiful, beautiful scenario. Takes, and this is a real game too. I think he had bishop d7 as an option. I kind of want to save the knight, but do I need to? Like, really? We're up materialistic scenario. I think we just say... Give me a bishop. I'm up 2 pawns. I got 3 to 1 on the queen side. I don't care about these pawns getting doubled. This is a bishop. It's a real piece. Okay. Now how do we get active? I think we have to get active. Oh well, I guess I have to defend my pawn, right? We can get active, guys. We can get activities. I could play... No, then he could play bishop back. Yeah, he does that. Oh, well, he gave me a square to get active. I don't have to do it yet. I don't have to do it yet. We are fine. We are made of wine. It's a beautiful thing that he can't come at me. There are no spider monkey scenarii quite yet. It doesn't mean we might not see an actual spider monkey rear its beautiful head. He now has a passed pawn. Is he going to get this pawn? He might. And I'm spending too much time. The beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Takes a long time. These pawns, that pawn is doing good, but it is not made of wood. It's not made, it's made of a simulated wood grain finish. Okay. I ran out of time. There's a draw. Great game, chess. Chess figures. How come I couldn't read that? Chess figures JS. How come I couldn't read figures? I thought it was like Chess Figueroa or something. Wait. It was the second time when I checkmated a chess streamer with the Jababa London trap. Dude, good for you, man. Good for you. It doesn't feel good when you get a trap off. That was not actually a bad move. Okay, hey, I got recommended your stream after a long time. Good, yeah, I remember you. I love your name. It makes me happy. It makes me think of laughing. Destroy the London with the following. He gives a line. Yo, what is up? I still have homework, Cappy, so I can't be on for long. Can you give me a reason to finish? Yes, because there are more important things in life than having fun all the time. Having fun is very, very important. Like, you need to have fun. But there are times in life when working is much more important than having fun. Yeah, there's your reason. And if you work now, you will have more fun later. But if you have fun now, you will have less fun later. What? There you go. Back to work, buddy. I've got Goat Doc. 4:42, 3-minute unrated. Let's get this game off the ground. He gets the good stuff, guys. Knight of 6. Oh, I forgot. Goat Duck studies chess. Play the book move. Play the book move. Fun is important, but you have to eat your veggies. That's exactly right. He. See, the guy whose name is basically, his name is basically fun. His name is he. And he just said, fun is important, but you have to eat your veggies. How can you have your pudding if you won't eat your meat? Pink Floyd. I need to finish my vacation on the weekend. Okay, now we play this. I remember the book Manunu. Who used to play this against me? Ratul? This is not the Sicilian line where I lose the thing, is it? I hope not. Okay. Brings it. Now, this is a really good night, so I don't want to get rid of it. I want to go here. And I'm going to have to take it at some point. I don't know if this was a good move. E6 was probably the move. Attack king. Is he going to defend ding? Our great world champion. Threatening. Checkmate. You could threaten checkmate here, guys. You know that I'm sorry. I'm improving his knight. Well, then he's going to come to this square, though. But he can't come there yet. Kick the knight, because I don't want the knight to play chess. Your knight can't play chess. Not in my world. E6 is, I think, going to be the great Manunu. It's just so hard to play 3-minute chess against someone rated 1,000 points higher than you. Okay. Boy, he re-Manunu'd, guys. He re-Manunu'd. This might be okay. It might be okay. We're fixing to find out. He's using his brain. That's probably a good move. This loses a piece. Wow, that's a really good move. Push, let the knight live. Takes, pawn takes. He's going to have a... This will be kind of known as what we like to call a bone in my throat. He comes here. I'm just ripping it. No, I'm not. Because this is my good bishop. This knight, I don't mind if he takes this pawn. I mean, this pawn. I call it a pawn because look at it. It is a pawn. Okay, now he wants to make threats and stuff. I'm just going to castle. Oh my god, I got castled. And it is in this position. On move 24. Charly Sardo Gaming. Castled his king. Brings the Amigo's rook. Puts pressure on the clock and the b4 square. Using his brain, as he should. Okay. Is my knight doing anything? Yeah, it's doing something. It's in the way of this malarkey. Now, if he brings a rook back, do I play bishop? I think I bring the knight. Yeah. Oh, he attacks me. Okay. Oh, wow. Let's get rid of the best piece on the board. And defend. And defend ding. Our great world champion. Okay, let's get rid of the best piece on the board. He's low on time, and the 400 is coming out in his rating. Dude, you played a great game. Brans, That's Branson, right? Great game. Okay, then I think we will come back. I should have come here. Why didn't I do that? Why would I not just play Queen C2? Could I have played Queen C2? Yeah, Queen C2. I see it afterwards. Wow, Queen C7 is best? Queen C4 is good. The thing about Queen C2 is I get the queens off and I'm up 2 pawns. I get the bishop pair, but this bishop stinks. Good game. Greek, challenge me. Send it. Beat Arshan said it was the second time. Oh, you checkmated Shrimmer. Got that one after 95. I should have played Short Castle. Okay. Okay. You're unable to send a challenge. Why not? Why not? Maybe because I haven't accepted your friend request? Blackened 18. Blackened 18. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. These are the only rules to being friends with me on chess.com. Dude, that was a great game, Goat Dog. Yeah. Oh, we got another friend request. No new requests. Have you guys noticed chess.com being a little glitchy lately? Like, every time I come in to chess.com, my little inbox says 6 messages, and then either before I can mouse over it or when I mouse over it, the messages go away. 5-minute unrated. This is unacceptable. We play 3-minute unrated on Thursdays. Everyone should know this. No, you don't know it. You're new. I'm sorry, but 3-minute unrated. Blackened, that's 3-minute. I don't see the unrated. Lexi Dad gets it. 725 from the great country of India. D4, knight f6. If you win, I will show your country's... I will wave your country's flag. I will wave your country's flag if you win this chess game. Got him. We got him, folks. This is a trap I get people in all the time. Winning a piece. And this is why memorizing the London, if you're 1900, it could help a little bit more. Where's this knight going? Oh, we don't want him to come here, do we? No. I'm up a piece. I could just take here with anything if I wanted to. The queen comes with no legitimate scenario. I just did probably a bad move. I trapped my rook, guys. Did you see me trap my rook? He gets doubled up, guys. Indubitably. That could have been a blunder. I don't know why or how, but it could be. Okay. Where's that knight going? I don't see where it's going. Queen's a little bit annoying here, but I think I'm okay. I want to play c5 and trade a rook, guys. Ooh. That was a great tactic, but it doesn't work. Because the knight. Yeah. Now I'm going to bring like the other rook and just... Okay. Let's make this a little bit better. It's just sad that I can't double, but you know what? Doubling on the wrong file is not an altogether bad thing. Because I can... Yeah, I could play, like... I hung my queen. I hung my queen! You get... Dude, stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. If you can just stay focused... then you will get your country's flag waved. Okay. Okay. Do you realize what you've done? Probably could have just took. Dude, you had the chance. You had the chance of a lifetime! I don't know what to do. He's up on the clock, too. He has queen check. He had queen check before, but that was a trap. You need a win for your country's flag to be waved, not... Yeah, look at this. Look at this move. That's a really good move, dude. He got me, guys. Dude, it's the first time. Where is it? Where is it? Let me get it. And I'm going to do exactly what I did in my short. Because I told the guy, and the guy I played, though, was high rated, 2,000 something. I said, if you win, I will wave your country's flag. If I win, I'll wave my country's flag. So what I did, I said, but I beat the guy. So I said, out of respect, I will show your country flag. So out of respect, I will show my country's flag. But in this particular instance, India won. So you know what? That's for you, brother. There you go. You won. You won fair and square. Good game. Good game, man. I dropped my queen. What do you do here if... So, dude, you should be really proud. That was a good game. Just... I'm up a piece. Just don't drop your queen. Just takes... Hey! Ashwin! Magna Rod, 3-minute unrated. Have you ever played 4D chess? No. This I have not done. Your username is unfamiliar. Yeah, most of them are unfamiliar to me too. Yeah, because I haven't seen them all. Did he have Knight F5? Oh, he might have. This guy's going for it, guys. He's going for the trap! Can we play? No, we're not going to play that. This is a family show. We're still not doing that on the after dark gaming streams, but this is a family show. Like, people watch with their kids and stuff. And my mom could be watching. Can you add me? I added you. Yeah, I will. I will accept. I will accept. Just do anything, man. Anything. Okay. He's moving way faster than me, and this is why. This is why. We're playing chess, guys. He takes. If I takes, he has knight takes, but then what? Takes. So I'm gonna take with this. Even though it's kind of against the theme of the stream. I'm trying not to lose here, folks. Hitting. Returning. Back to the pregame lobby where I belong. Okay. I can push. He's using his brain and his mind. That's a good move. I don't like the pressure. I can't take it. Just gives it to me. We're going to go... Here's absolutely acceptable. Looking at my pawnster. Not allowing. Think I'm going to drop my queen again, guys? It's not a stupid question. Brings the queen back. Let us then, should I push? Is that the move? Is that the menu? Let's go this way. That was probably not a bad idea, though, to just bring that thing back. Should I use the time? No. We leave the knight on the rim, and we keep our bishop for some light square protezione. It's Italian, guys. You guys don't know it. Okay, then come here. Okay, and I think he has no squares for the knight. He trapped his knight with F3, guys. Daniel Abbott, are you here? We've talked about these knight traps. Your knight, when the knight goes on the rim, you got to be careful. He wants to play pawn take so bad because it's a capture and it's attacking my queen, but then we just trade down and then I take and it's just too much. It's already too much. I'm up a piece. It's too much. Right? I guess take here first. And then take. Okay, and then do we take or do we do nothing? Bring a rook. Bring the Amigo's rook. That's probably a good move. Trying not to drop my queen. Pinning. But am I winning? One thing you don't want, the queen coming in, guys. Queen. Before I come back. He resigned. That was a good resignation. He's down on the clock. There's no more play, really. But you know what you could do, Magnarod, just to understand, like, ideas, right? Like, you could maybe... If you could get the queen here and then bring the bishop, you could threaten checkmate, or you could threaten a check anyway. You know what I'm saying? it wouldn't actually be me. But that's one thing. Okay, here we go. Blackened. I don't think I played Blackened. I think he was sending me rated, right? He sent it unrated, folks. And I don't wave the flag for everybody that wins. I wave the flag once today, so that's it. India got their flag waved. Oh, yeah, I'm like, what is this guy doing? Oh, yeah, he's 1,600, guys. He's 1,600. That's why. He's playing good. He knows some maneuvers. He knows maneuvers, guys. This guy knows maneuvers! He didn't fall for it, guys. Did I have this before? I probably did. I think it still works. And I think it's still better for me. He could play knight takes, bishop takes, b6, queen takes, and then rook takes. And he'll be, but then he gives up this. I'd be on the, yeah. Did I lose a piece? I just lost a piece? I didn't see the bishop. Okay, then. Let us just throw our pawns forward because we're losing. Bishop d3 looks like a good trade. I'm not sure. Play me. You got to send it. I don't take any cues from the chat because people come, people go. You got to send it. Okay. Now my bishop doesn't want to be here. Just move, man. You're losing. The game's over. You can't mess anything up. You already lost. So play the proper maneuvers. That's a threat. Wow. The bishop looks okay. What do I have for it? Not much. This bishop is the world's biggest pawn, guys. And it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt real bad, too. I have a plan. This is a guaranteed loss. Leaving this bishop here. Leaving the bishop here is a guaranteed loss. I need to take it. Okay. Now we can stop it. But I think I might be alright for a minute. Oh, I thought he had the rook check now. He doesn't. So I can take. Take. The king gets away. We still have attacks. The king will come all the way here and eat the pawn. No, the pawn will be gone. The pawn will be gone. This was a really good game, man. And that's probably the best move. But it doesn't threaten anything. Okay. Go this way. That loses the bishop. Do I try and keep the bishop? I think I try and keep the bishop. And then we run for our little life. Still on my bishop, which is very, very annoying. Dude, you played a great game, Blackened. I need 1 second, guys. I need 1 second. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark. We have a tournament every Wednesday. I stream chess Monday through Thursday in this time slot. 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, that's Texas time. And Peon is, I'm going to take you next, Peon, but I have to, I need 1 minute, guys. I'll take you guys halfway with me, because I want to make coffee. Welcome to the coffee. Come with me, guys. Come with me to the coffee camp. Flipping it. Did you guys see what happened there? Guys, I didn't put the coffee mug underneath the Keurig. Did you guys see that? Can you even see that? Can you even see that on this? You can. You can. If you're watching on computer and you were very astute, you would see that I put the cup off to the right of the coffee can, of the Keurig. I set it on the counter. Am I getting old? I don't believe it. I will not believe I'm getting old, folks. Dude, that is so amazing. I just did that. The Keurig has a little... Okay, I'm going to play peon. The Keurig... Oh, get back to the board. The Keurig has a little... a little catch thing where it catches the stuff. It caught the coffee, and technically I could probably pour just do this. He's moving so fast, guys. He's moving so fast. Why is he trying to freak me out over here? But I could technically have poured it out of the little catch basin in the bottom, but it's dirty. If I washed it this morning, which I don't because it doesn't really get any use. Yeah. Do I push? I think I push. We have created, again, the world's biggest pawn. 2 games in a row! You would think I would have learned from last game. Finally catching up on time, dude. He moves so fast. I'm not getting my coffee. I think I kind of want the queen. Oh, he's on the pawn, though. Just go. Just go. Here. I think I have to go. I have to just lose a pawn. I think I'm losing too many pawns. I should have prepared it. I could have prepared it. But I got my bishop out. Oh, I think I can do this. Then he gets this one, though. Okay, I can do this. We're causing trouble in River City, which is what I needed. I needed trouble in River City, guys. With a capital P that stands for pool. You guys don't know that song. Keon wants to beat me so bad, dude. Dude, this guy. This guy! Okay. That could be a good move, but I have ideas. I need to stay up on time. Rook takes c3. Rook over. Get rid of that for starters, right? Hit the knight for finishers, right? Do we put it here? Right, that's probably a really good move. And he's playing so fast. Peon. It's insane that I'm not completely lost right here. The complications. He was still winning. He was still winning. But, and it might still be, but the complications that I made in that, but yeah, that's a good move. Make his life hard. Make his life hard. Now he just gets more pawns. That was probably all dumb. Oh, I hung it. He did good, guys. He did good. Keon, you got me again. Good game. I made it so hard on myself. Yeah. You deleted message. Can we play I texted you on chess.com? You have to send me a challenge. Like right now, if your challenge was up. Oh no. What is this, time control? No, I'm sorry, brother. I cannot play 3 minute with a 2 second increment. I'm bad enough at 3 minute. You just saw. Peon, good game, dude. Good. I want my coffee now. I'm getting it. See, like right now, I have no challenges. Oh, I have 5 friend requests. There's no way. Okay, Unbroken, Unfamiliar, Jesus Esta King, Chess Samayan, Samanyu, and Gotham Chess Sub number 9. We're now friends on chess.com. This means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? 3 minute unrated, no increment. This is the first time I win with checkmate. Dude, Peon, you're doing better and better every time. That was amazing. Am I playing a game right now? Oh, that was the aborted game. 3 minute unrated, unbroken, rated 2300 from the great international flag. Play well, my friend. Get to your board. 2300, man. You know what's coming. You know this move's coming. Got to keep the knight out and got a blunt, guys. We got a blunt. We have no other choice. Queen comes. I will come here. Go back to your home. Okay, now I take with a knight, I think, right? That drops a pawn, so we take this way. Okay, then I bring a knight to attack a pawnster. Okay, he defends it. If I play here, he just plays e4 for free, so we don't do that. Maybe this square? Where's that knight going? Oh, he's coming to a beautiful square, though. He's coming to a beautiful square, man. Attack the pawn, I guess. And then protect c5 and bring rooks. And trade down and beat him in the end game, guys. This guy's not an IM. You know what Hans said? I saw Hans tell Eric Rosen. I saw him say it. He said, How do you beat an IM, an international master? Because you know Hans is a grandmaster. That's a really scary move. Can he keep it there though? Maybe not after F5 or bishop. No, he has E4, but then the knight can't chase. The knight can chase this way, but then I can take. Yeah, so it doesn't work. This probably was a good move. Might have been better to bring the other rook, but I might be looking at, you know, panic mode. Oh, guys. Guys, I'm playing a 2300chess.com rated player. I usually say that the most worthless form of digital currency on the internet, but guess what? If I come, I think he locks me in. We come back, regroup. Regroup. This is a very weakening move, but his bishop's over here. Wow. I don't understand. It was a mistake, right? I think it was a mistake. Okay. No threats. Just fun and good times. And the file and the bishop pair. And better control of the center. Now, plays this move. Can I push? I can. He has blocked his bishop. And possibly opened mine. Yeah, that's probably a good square. How do I get in on the queen side? Do we take? No, we don't take. My bishop is still doing work. So let's go with the massive queen centralization. I went with it, folks. It's called massive queen centralization. I don't think we take. I think we... Can I play this move? I think this is a good move, and I'm going to tell you why. His knight is coming to a good square, though. But I got to move. It drops a pawn. We go this way. I'm pushing my majority, yes. I have 3, he has 2. What do? You push your majority. Oh, yeah. Can I push? I can't. Now I have made 2 big pawns. I dropped my queen. It was there twice. I didn't see it. I didn't see it, guys. I decline your draw, and I resign. Because you won. Good game, dude. Thank you, Unbroken. I really appreciate it. We have a tournament. We've been getting some 2300s in our tournament. Unfamiliar, you sent it rated. It has to be unrated. You might have to go into custom and unclick the rated. Did someone get banned? Why? Why did someone get banned? Grand Real Chess. That was kind of funny what you just did. We're not playing 10 minutes today. We're playing 3-minute unrated. After this game, I am going to have to look. I'm going to look at one of my games against a 2300 in the tournament. I did lose, but it was a really good game. and we're gonna look at it and see what I could have done better. I'm like, what is this guy? What is this guy doing? He's like, doesn't do anything. Just fishing around, guys. Nothing happening here. Nothing to see here. Breaking in the El Centro. Did I drop the pawn? I guess I did. Oh, he gave me the bishop, though. I like that. I like that about him. I like it about him, guys. Feels good. He has c5, I think. And then pawn takes. He comes back. Okay, let us then... He wants to come to this square. It's a blitz game, so just don't give him what he wants. Feel what I'm saying? Just don't give him what he wants. Because it's a blitz game. Never give the people what they want. Oh, I didn't realize he could come here too. Okay, then we'll go ahead and come here. And then we'll... I think I'm supposed to take the pawn if I can. This is still pinned. Oh, that's a good move. Maybe. Okay. Lost a pawn there. In that deal. Wow, the tactics are insane here, guys. The tactics are freaking insane. Wow. I think I'm still losing just from what I just saw there. I think I'm still losing. That was insane. I had to move, guys. I had to move. That was a I had to move. Dude, it feels like this game is going forever. Here. Look, just looking. Just looking at stuff. Okay, then, and then, here. I did this for a reason. I don't know if it's good. He has a check. Coming here. No, I think I got to take. He got me on time. Big time. Good game. Good game, Chess. Chess, Saman. Okay, I am going to shut my challenges off for a minute, guys. You need to take... you guys need a break. You're beating up on me too much. I want you to go back. I want you to make some bad life choices. Allow challenges, no. Okay. I normally look at all my games today, but I'm going to be doing a lot more of playing you guys. I just have to look at this. The game against the 2300. Where is it? Oh, it's back here. It's just back here. Because it was a good game, and I'm sure I was winning at one point, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, he just played better, guys. He just played better. Oh! There's no way! There's no way. Sometimes I'll get more viewers when I do that, but I would never do it on purpose. Well, a long time ago, I was playing Elden Ring, and I was fighting a boss, and I beat the boss. I was talking about it the whole time, and it was on the coffee cam. They called it the refrigerator cam, or the talking refrigerator. Woo! That was a whole game. Charlie, you asked who got banned. It was the 1200 from the recent tournament. Really? Well, then we have to refigure who won the tournament, right? Look at me, guys. That's me on Twitch on chess.com. Thank you, chess.com, for partnering with Charly Sardo Gaming. Okay, we have to go to community. I'm on the right screen now, right? We go to clubs. We're gonna see the cheater, guys. Did that cheater beat me? Did the cheat guy? By the way, guys, our chess club is called Chess Chillers on chess.com. I think on vertical you probably won't be able to click it, but you could maybe copy and paste it. Here we go. This is the link to our club on chess.com, and if you want to play the tournament on Wednesdays, it's a weekly tournament that we've been doing for 5 years. Join there and get on chess.com. Okay, join Chess Chillers on chess.com. I'm going to go to club events. I'm going to go to the last tournament. And second place, LB Cheese. There we were kind of suspecting, and here's the reason why. Some people don't know how to spell chess. It's not hard. You can't spell it without Robert Hess. That's for starters, okay? Some people know so little about chess, they don't even know how to cheat at chess. Dr. Lupo is a very famous streamer. And what is it called? The Dunning-Kruger effect? Is that what it's called? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? It's like, it's not, the Dunning-Kruger effect isn't about being stupid, or I could say ignorant about something. If you're ignorant about chess, if you don't know much about chess, then you can't just walk into the chess world and act like you know. People have said, like, yeah, you got too aggressive with your knights, you know, when they cheated against me. You got too aggressive with your knights. That's what a beginner says. No 2300 says you got too aggressive with your knights. That's never been spoken in chess before. You know what I'm saying? You might make a bad move. You might waste a move with a knight. Dr. Lupo, I think I think that's the thing I'm talking about, the Dunning-Kruger effect. It's not about being ignorant about a topic. It's about not understanding how ignorant you are about a topic. So Dr. Lupo thought he knew a little bit about chess, but he didn't. And then he just cheated because he thought no one's going to know. He literally was so ignorant and so full of himself. He thought in his head, I can just bring an engine up and I can just transfer the moves. Video boy, thank you for the sub on YouTube. I can just transfer the moves and they'll never know. He literally thought that. And we are all over here living with chess.com with all these cheaters. We all know about it. We all know how to cheat. We've all seen it. We know what happened with the Hans Niemann thing and the being accused and all this stuff, right? And we know what chess fair play is on chess.com. We've all played people that got banned, got our rating points back, right? This guy's over here in his old world playing Minecraft and freaking Tarkov with Dr. Disrespect and Nick Mertz, Tim the Tatman, and he just thinks he knows enough about chess to fool the chess world. Well, LB Cheze, obviously not a good chess player. He got second place in the tournament, but he missed the first round. So we got 4 out of 5. Look at the ratings. First place, Silent Checkmate, 1950. Second place, Labise. That's the guy who just got banned for fair play, 1299. Third place, in my Twitch chat, Bozo Chess, I love you, brother. Bozo Chess, 2300. Fourth place, me. Go down the line a little bit. Isaiah, there's a 1594 is the next place. 1503, a 2300 in seventh, a 1700, a 1400. This guy finished the tournament in second place ahead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people that are higher rated than him. Many of them 500, 700, and freaking and 1,000 points higher than him. And he finished ahead of them. Because he doesn't understand that you can't do that. 1299, they don't even know about chess. They don't know about chess. You've heard of the Hans case, but have you heard of the Sindarov case? Not really talked about, but might be relevant since he's challenging for the championship. No, did Sindarov get caught cheating? If Sindarov did get caught cheating, I would say the same thing I said about Hans. Is Sindarov the one that got banned? A video boy, thank you for the sub. Is he the one that got banned from chess.com and then they let him back in because he got banned, but it was like the algorithm that did it, and then when they went over the games and looked, they realized he didn't cheat? Also a case where he was young like Hans, but not talked about since he didn't beat Magnus. Yeah, another reason it's not talked about is this, and it's really hard not to. I'm gonna pull up the Sindarov thing right now. It's really hard not to attack people that are arrogant. Some people could say annoying, arrogant, full of themselves. That's arrogant. Hans is an easy target because he, in addition to cheating when he was a kid, but he's past that. He's past that. He's the bad boy of chess, and that's what he gets. Best read. I could not call it proven Sindarov cheating scandal. It's more like an old online fair play allegations and candidates anti-cheating drama and prep leak getting mashed together. Oh, the prep leak. Yeah. Old online allegations resurfaced. Reports claim accounts allegedly linked to Sindarov were temporarily blocked on chess.com around 2020 over fair play suspicions. I remember this. That is not the same as proven over the board cheating, and I did not find a current official FIDE finding against him. Okay, but temporarily blocked. That's the point. Chess.com says this is the way it's always been and the way it always will be. If you cheat on chess.com, your account will be closed. And if you admit to cheating and say you won't do it again, there's like an email you have to send. They will give you a new account and give you a second chance. But they said there's no accounts on chess.com that cheated. And that we know they cheated and they're still there. I believe I've heard Danny say this like on the I watch those things. You guys watch the state of chess? I do it to stay up on all the, because I work, I work not at, but I work on chess.com. Part of my life is spending it on chess.com, right? The candidates had anti-cheating controversy. Kara Nakamura complained that FIDE's anti-cheating procedures were excessive after a poor start, including a loss to Sindarov. Were excessive after a loss to Sindarov. FIDE defended the scans and signal control measures as necessary. That was controversy about security procedure. Okay, Sindarov had a prep leak. Okay, there was a prep leak. Opening studies linked to him were briefly public on Lichess. Yeah, Sindarov was preparing for the candidates on Lichess, and all the openings he was working on were on Lichess that anyone could look at. That was a mistake. And then by winning the candidates with a round to spare, yeah, no, best Sindarov scandal cheating. Okay, yeah, no. My question is, what happened with this? Because like I said, he got banned by chess.com by the algorithm. And then when he contested it, they had real people look at it and they said he didn't cheat. Right? What happened in the end? Yeah. So in a controversy of him winning the candidates, he had a good tournament. He had a good tournament against the best players in the world while in the most important tournament of pretty much every chess player's life. More important to get through the candidates than it is to play for the world championship. Because the hardest thing to do is get there. It's easier to beat the world champion than it is to win the candidates. Nothing dramatic happened publicly. In the end, the old online stuff stayed as old online fair play allegations, account closure claims, not a public FIDE over the board cheating case. Sindarov was not publicly banned by FIDE, but you said chess.com. The reason it feels unresolved is that chess.com lead chess fair play cases usually don't give the public a full trial style explanation. Chess.com says closed accounts can appeal. And, oh yeah, okay, so it could have been closed and then appealed. But he won his appeal. Yeah, so the clean version is there was no public FIDE punishment. No, I'm talking only about chess.com. Freaking. Does anyone feel like ChatGPT is getting dumber sometimes? It's crazy. I had this thing so dialed in. Now I'll be saying, like, I'll ask it a question and it starts making me an image. I need the answer. Why are you making an image? It's crazy. I pay extra money for it too, to get the extended thinking, like when you're doing coding, when you're doing really anything. It's pretty nice to have. I just want to know. Yeah. Okay. In the end, the current chess.com status is active, not banned. Okay, since then is let him play and win official events. So the clean answer is whatever happened to the old alleged chess.com account closure did not end up with him being publicly banned from chess.com today. He has an active verified GM account. Exactly. Yeah. So he just there was a red flag. Okay, so anyway, cheater. In yesterday's tournament, Silent Checkmate got first. LB Cheese, the guy who got banned from fair play, got second. Bozo Chess got third, and I got fourth. LB Cheese, you're out of here. You're banned for cheating on fair play. You did not win our tournament. You just were a fool. And I even warned people. I said, just because the tournament's unrated doesn't mean you won't get banned. I'm not sure the full details. It's been proven ChatGPT got dumber because of money problems. I believe it. Yeah. So Silent Checkmate still is first place. Congratulations, Silent Checkmate, on a very good win. Who did he give his draws to? He gave up a draw to the 2300, and yeah, he gave up a draw to the 2300, and he beat Bozo Chess. That's still a very, very big win. The 1950 beating the 2300, right? Okay, so now the new placings for yesterday's tournament. Silent Checkmate, congratulations. I saw you in chat are challenging me on chess.com, by the way. Good luck on a great win. Second place, Bozo Chess. Third place, me. And then all the way down, Eco Voyager, fourth place. But we only do the top three. So Silent Checkmate first, Bozo Chess second, Rosewood Telly. This is the second time this has happened or something. Lunatic Lewis. I love your name, Lunatic Lewis. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and help each other get better at chess. We looked at this guy's account because it was odd. It was odd for 1200 to do this good. And look, just look. Turtles all the way down, folks. Turtles all the way down. Okay, he lost 2 games in a game there. But look at that. But I said, hey, he could be a master. It could be a speed run. It could be, what if that's Eric Rosen? I said it could be Eric Rosen on a speed run, right? Guys, some people don't care about chess. I think most of the people yelling and screaming about cheating, they're not even really that into chess. they just want to yell and scream about something. You know what I'm saying? Can I go to, we'll just go here. But some people don't care about chess. To them, it's just a game. It's just like they would cheat at bowling or golf or anything else. Okay, this game right here is the game we're going to look at. This is the game against Charlie H. Chess. 23-24 game review coming up. Let us go to the review and we will look at these statistics, and then we got to take a quick look at this game and see what I could have done better and why I made the moves that I made. Part of the reason is it's a 10-minute game. It's joke chess. It's too fast. But I'm not playing 40 moves in 2 hours. I'm not playing 4-hour games over the board right now. These are the games. So I can learn something from them, but we'll never know if I would have made the right moves if I was playing an actual tournament game. You know what I mean? It's 10 minutes is literally like blitz chess. It really is. Play 5-minute chess and then play 10-minute chess. You don't have time to go get a cup of coffee. You don't have time to just sit there and spend and really, really get into the position. There's not enough time. You got to make a move. You're going to lose on time. You know what I'm saying? That's why we do our tournaments 10-minute with a 5-second increment. My opponent played 95% accuracy. I played 87.9. No brilliance. We each had one great move. He had 17 best. I had 13. We went 8 moves book deep, guys. So we're going to look at that. He played like a 2500. I played like a 2450. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. We in the opening, we each had 96.5% accuracy in the opening, but he had 94.3 accuracy in the opening, and I had 84%. I mean, in the middle game. In the middle game, he played better than me in the middle game, and I had one blunder. I blundered. Okay, let's get to the opening here. We'll look at this game. Explore my opening. C4. D4. Knight f6. Knight c3. I lost miserably in this line earlier today. Did you guys see it? Okay, now, I said something here. I said something here on the stream. And what I said was, there is an opening called the 4 pawns attack. Well, there might be a couple of them. But d4, knight f6, c4, g6, knight c3, bishop g7, e4, d6, f4. This is the 4 pawns attack. To give you an idea, in the opening, ironically, Jobava played this as white against Timur Radjabov as black in this position. Topalov played it white against Garry Kasparov. Peter Svidler had this position as black. I mean, Alexei Shirov, Joel Latier. I wonder what happened to that guy. This is a real opening. Okay, but look at the game. Look, see this position here, right? And now look at the way the game went. He went like this. And I'm like, huh, It's like, it reminds me of the 4 pawns attack, except this knight would be gone and this pawn would be here. And what you do in the 4 pawns attack in that other position, let me show you. d4, knight f6, c4, d6, knight c3, bishop g7, e4, d6, f4. You castle first, and then you play c5 and e6. And this is as far as my prep goes. I never studied this from here. This is a line you don't see every day. And I made it in my rated tournament career to 1994. I was so close to 2000 rated in tournament chess, classical chess. And this was my line if someone played the 4 pawns attack. What move is this? 8 moves. 7 moves. 7 moves. And I know, and then they'll do something, and then you take. And they take with the pawn. Which pawn do they take with? And then he'll probably be trying to do stuff like this. We're playing chess. Black is actually, it's equal here. Black is slightly better, or it's equal after b5, which is crazy, right? You can't take this. Why? Oh, because of the here. Check. Wait, the knight comes back. Oh. Hey. Yeah. Okay, see, I don't know any of that. All I know is that's how much I learned for this, because I'm like, I don't have a line for the 4 pawns attack. I don't know what to do. I just learned that one idea like 35 years ago, okay? And when it comes up, I know what to do. But in this position, I'm like, this is kind of like the 4 pawns attack, but he doesn't have the 4th pawn. I don't know what else to do. I mean, c5's a maneuver, and I kind of expected him to push. I mean, this is not exactly in rocket science anyway, but you know, you play c5, you start attacking the square. And then I thought if he pushes, then I'm going to play e6, just like, except he doesn't have this other pawn here. The knight's in the way, right? And another thing, I'm curious, Charlie H. Chess, if you're watching, why would you do this if you're not specifically playing a Jobava London? Because you don't play this move. That's why in this position, the most common move in the master database by far is c4. Gotham Chess taught us in queen pawn openings, you want to move your c pawn usually before you bring your knight out. And that goes for me too. That goes for me too for black. So I don't understand why he played knight c3. It just seemed weird to me. Okay, so there's the story of the opening and how I would just like, okay, if he pushes, I'm going to play e6 because I'm just supposed to do it in the other line. We have a symmetrical pawn structure. He's still slightly better. He gets some space. I came. He comes. Now, this pawn, I said things I'm never going to do. Move this pawn, right? What did I have? I had knight b4 hitting the bishop. Knight c5. Queen a5 with the threat. c3. Takes. Queen e2. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy stockfish. It's not inherently bad to not move the c pawn, maybe because they care more about kingside play than central queenside, so they don't want to waste time with c4. Yeah, I understand it's not inherently bad. I just think c4 is better. You know what I'm saying? Switch the camera, Cybermix. I'm so sorry about the great camera fiasco we had earlier, folks. It was amazing. I forgot to switch my camera. Yeah, but I mean, maybe this is his opening that he plays all the time. You know what I'm saying? And he studied something with knight c3, I'm guessing. I don't know. He's 2300. I'm curious. Takes here. Okay, knight b4 was better. Queen c7 is on the list. It is third best. It wants bishop f5. And he doesn't want to do this because it gets rid of this. He could mess with the pawns up and stuff, but knight f2 takes, knight c6, and we're playing chess. White has a slight advantage, but less than he had when he started the game. This move I thought was a bad move. It's not on the list. I thought it was a bad move. It's like, what? Why? I mean, if you wanted to put the bishop here, I guess, but I didn't get it. And it's not on the list. Okay, now, knight b4 is the best move. Yeah, and he said after the game he was surprised at how I took advantage of his mistakes, which made me feel good. So we talked a lot about this game yesterday. It was really cool. It's very cool, guys. When you play like a tournament game, when the game's over, very often the guy will be like, "Hey, you want to go look at the game?" You gotta whisper because there's people playing. People get mad at you anyway. And then you go into the Skittles room where people are playing blitz chess and everything. You can talk, you can laugh, and you set up and you start moving the pieces without a computer. And it's like, I think you might have been able to play bishop g5 and then be like, "Oh, I didn't see that. Wait. What about this?" And you talk about the game and you learn from it. And you can get a lot of insight from your opponent, especially if your opponent is higher rated than you, right? If he's quite a bit higher rated than you, it can literally turn into a chess lesson. And if you're a lot higher rated than them, it can turn into a chess lesson for them. So after the game, Charlie was talking a lot in chat, and we talked a lot about it, and I told him I was going to look at the game today. And knight b4 is the best move. And I played it. Rook d8. I love rook d8. I love rook d8, and I saw it, folks. It's the best move. Rook d8 because I want this bishop, and I'm going to take it, but this pins to where it can't get away yet. So that's fine. Now he's going to have to take with the pawn. He's going to have an open c file. I think his knight takes best now. I feel like I probably should have played like knight c6 or something. Oh, or b6. Yeah, I played b6. b6 is, yeah, well, now it's saying b6 is the best move. Now it's saying it's the best move. b6, it goes back and forth, right? Or knight g3. Usually play a3, saying, what are you going to do, man? What are we doing here? Rook f2 is another move. He played queen e2. Now knight d3 is best. cd3 and bishop a6 or knight c6. I played knight c6. a3 is best, and now, wait. Yeah, he played a3 is best. That's easy to see because he's trying to keep me out. And I play queen d7, bishop a6, rook d5. Oh, it liked queen d7 for a minute, but yeah, they're all pretty close, man. They're all pretty close. This is not a bad move. And now, bishop a6 or queen d5. Queen d5 hits the pawn. I played bishop a6. It's good. It's like -1 here. Like I'm better. I'm a pawn better. Knight f2 is the second or third best move. Knight f2 to protect the pawn. Good. Rook ac8 is it's not. It wants rook dc8, but I brought my last piece. Okay, he goes to break, and knight d4 is the best move. Takes, knight comes, still has no squares, but this is a pretty good square for his knight, right? Stockfish loves trades even when they don't appear to make sense, as Bozo Chess, especially in losing endgames. It will yell at the losing player for not trading queens. Well, we know that if we're down a piece, that we are going to lose unless we keep some pieces on and make something happen. We can find some advantage, a kingside attack, a passed pawn, right? And we keep material on when we're losing. Stockfish doesn't care about losing. It just cares about playing the best move. And so it will trade queens when it's down material because it's the best move, meaning it's the most moves away from losing and being checkmated. But as humans, you have no idea how you do it all the time, right? Bozo Chess, he's 2300. I'm sure you do it all the time. You should trade queens, but you're already losing. So you just give him another pawn and keep the queens on because you're losing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and we win a lot of games that way. Save a lot of games that way. Queen d5 is not on the list. I think we're done attacking this pawn now that the file is gone, and bishop b7 is best, or rook c7 beginning the stack, because I think, yeah, they wanted bishop b7 here. I went for the massive centralization of the queen, folks. It's about a third of the pawn worse. Okay. And now I come up with the idea of rook c7 and it doesn't like it. Isn't that funny? It doesn't like it. But there we go. Takes. Queen comes looking at my pawn. How do I save my pawn? F5 is not correct. You know, dude, it's like minus 0.2 right now, and this is equal. So it's not that bad, but bishop h6 says you're going to take my pawn, I'm going to take your pawn. And then, after g3, rook c3. Because if knight takes, we take here threatening check, and the queen's hanging. Yeah. So, and if he doesn't, he has to answer for Fredo. Yeah, he plays like rook a3 to trade it off. And black is still better here. It's pretty crazy. I thought I was in trouble and panicked with f5. ef6. Oh, wait. Let's see what he played. He played takes. If I take with the bishop, takes, and I lose the pawn. But if I take with the pawn, takes, I have f5. Attacking the knight and the knight. The knight could come back. I probably play a rook takes. Oh. That loses. Okay. So, yeah. And I had enough time. I spent not quite a minute, but I realized after takes, I take back with the pawn, not the bishop, and that indirectly defends my pawn, because if takes, this is winning. Okay? So I took, but then he saw it too, because he's 2300, brings a rook. Now I could play rook takes check and get his queen off my poor little pawn, but then his queen has all these squares, and I think that's what I did. Because look at my bishop covers the infiltration squares. Some of them. Takes. F5. Knight comes back. Now my pawn is protected. And black is slightly better. I played H6 because I wasn't sure what to do and I didn't want to lose on time. Most of my misses are not from trading queens down a piece, even though black keeping queens on is what led to the comeback. That's exactly right. Yeah, because Stockfish is not a human. Stockfish is not trying to win the game. Stockfish is trying to play the best move. He's trying to checkmate his opponent as fast as he can. Or prevent checkmate as fast as he can. H6 is a bad move here. Yeah, it makes it equal. What am I supposed to play? Oh, bishop f8 to activate the bishop. Or, but man, this knight seems so... Oh, he can't play the knight there because I got the mate. Wow. Or queen b3, which I think I play later. But I played this move. Now I played queen b3. Still equal now, though. And h5, it's equal if I play gh5. Queen f1. Defending the pawn. It's crazy. Queen f7, defending everything. King h2. Bishop f3. Queen f3. h4, kicking the knight. Where's he come? Knight h5. Look at that. That's weird. The knight's surrounded by pawns, guys. That's a really weird thing. Bishop f8. We're going to reroute. And it calls this equal. But I didn't do this. I didn't do this. I took that pawn. Now, his queen could... I didn't realize how bad my queen was. Oh, I could have... Oh! I had 3 minutes. I could have forced the queens off. I think I saw it, but I felt like this pawn is going to be in trouble. Knight f5, attacking the pawn. I can't defend it. Bishop e4. Knight takes e3. Takes, doubling. This bishop cannot attack these pawns, and white is just winning. Because my bishop can't attack these pawns, but this knight can attack these pawns. And he's got all these things. So the big mistake here was not trading queens. Because with this pawn here, my king is in mortal danger. And watch what happened. Checkmate. Yeah. Okay. I looked at the game I wanted to look at. Hey! Jitendra Kumar, welcome. I feel like I know your name. I'm going to put my challenges back on. Settings. I think that was a king safety thing. It was a king safety thing. I wasn't... the alerts didn't go off with that freaking pawn on g6. I wasn't scared of it. Allow challenges. Okay, my challenges are up. And I am going to be back in 1 second. And I'm going to play you guys 3-minute unrated. Think about what's for dinner here in a little while. Play daily games. Unfamiliar. Thank you for the challenge, but I don't play daily games. Anyone wants to play, send me a challenge. Rosewood Telly. My challenges are open, right? Maybe go to play online first or something. Yeah, I think maybe when you're sitting at that window, like it's still... People send me messages. Come on. Someone send it. I'm going to join the pool. I'm going to play 3-minute from the pool. Unless I see a challenge, I'm going 3-minute. I think sometimes chess... Well, no, we're fine. We're fine. Just send me challenges, like, when my game is over. Very familiar with this position. D5. Oh, this is the accelerated dragon. So I think we take, right? Right. And then can I play bishop d4? He's not threatening anything, so just castle. Bishop comes. That's great. Now I'm going to play bishop d4 because I don't want this to happen. Then I'm going to play king b1. The queen comes. This doesn't work. So king b1. And he's probably going to try and sack a rook or something. I'm not sure. But I have ideas. Okay, that comes... do I come here? And he comes here? That's threatening stuff. I think you play b3 in some of these positions. I think I'm going to. With that bishop... Do I have this move? Do I have this move here? I think I might. I'm going to play it. It's the intermezzo, guys. It's the intermezzo. You don't know it, guys. Don't try and say it. Don't try and say it. It's a big Italian word. This is very typical in the Sicilian when you play king b1. Queen takes queen is not check. His queen is unprotected. Queen takes queen, I play knight takes knight, check. Bishop takes, I take. And my bishop is probably getting traded for this unless he blocks or something. I'm doing just fine in that position. Usually the knight will come and like to this square if it's protected and take this pawn with check. Probably wasn't the best move, but he wants to shove his center. Okay, this would come... That seems weird, though. This seems weird, too, but I'd like to bring my bishop with tempo, but he's just going to bring his rook up. Just this move? Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, yes. I didn't see e5. Right. Just a little consolidation theory. He shoves. He doesn't. We're going to come here. I think I'm in time. I think he can't defend it. Okay. Giving me an outside pass pawn. He kind of has to take. No, he can't. He can't. Can he? He loses. If he comes here, we're going in this way. So we're gonna go here and make his king stop the pawn. And we just win pawns. This game's over, guys. Oh, no, no, no. No, 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 no! He resigned! I had him, guys. Dude, that was a good game. That was... I want to look at this game. Well, because I won. But... I think I did poorly in the opening. I did okay in the opening. No, I'm going to play Sam. I'm going to play you guys. Oh, 5 minutes. Sam, I'm sorry. It's got to be 3 minutes. Silent Checkmate, the winner of the tournament yesterday. Silent, and Felibo's here too. Guys, there was a cheater. The guy that got second place got banned. The 1200 with the account from 4 days ago. Pretty obvious, right? Silent Checkmate 08. You know why? Because Silent Checkmate 07 was already taken. Develop ping. Just make a Costello. Just bring your pieces out. Just try and play chess, guys. That's all I'm trying to do. Play a little bit of chess over here. Look, king. I think we come back here, right? Do I take it? Maybe improve the position? Win that really important bishop, actually. Right? I guess we just take back. Still mine. Still my bishop, folks. Okay, I guess he's gonna double up on me or something? Okay. Pinning. That's a good move. This pawn. Probably could have removed the defender. Takes. Rook takes. The knight forks. We probably take. I didn't see this was check, so that was a blunder. Okay, and then I gotta bring it. I'm so mated here, guys. I'm so mated. It's like, I don't want to go here, but I have to go here, but I don't want to go here. I can't come here. I can come here, I guess. He's just gonna... I'm mated. I'm so mated. I'll let you guys see the checkmate. Actually, the bishop can come back, but the rook wants to play chess. What about the poor rook? Yeah. He's threatening check and mate. If I come back, he's going to bring the other rook. He's just going to take. I'm going to resign. Where's the button? I can't find it fast enough. Good game, dude. Good game. Congratulations on winning yesterday. Sorry there was a cheater. We can't control it, right? Should ask for your ID to beat cheating in this game. Oh, should ask for ID. Well, you know what? You can... It's got to be unrated, Sam. I mean, I normally would play someone higher rated than me, but it should be unrated. Everyone else has to send it unrated. It's just the nature of the way things works. A little heart attack, little Latvian give a heart attack. Dude, Falevo's rapid rating is a lot higher than his blitz rating. Very important to play knight f6. Queen blunder, g6. G6. Someone blundered their queen? I'm not sure I understand what you're saying. I don't think that was the best move. Unpinning. 3 words. Okay, now I think I have to take. Because I think there was too much stuff happening there. Bring... how do we call it? Bring the amigos rook? Queen comes, looking at my hopper. You say, why do you call it a hopper? It's the only piece with the word hop in it. Think about it. It's the only piece with the word hop in it, folks. Can you believe how beautiful that is? That the queen was protecting this, otherwise he would be able to just take. Rook takes rook doesn't do anything, we just take the queen, I think. Okay. And he gives me the queen this way. Do I want... Yeah. It's best to take the queen, right? No. See? This is the thing, guys. Rook e3, you're like, I got his queen. I'm getting 9 points for 5 points. 4-point advantage. But knight takes, I get 3 points for free. Here's the reason why knight takes is better. Because still my move. You say, what do you mean? How is it still your move? Because I'm attacking his queen. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, like queen g3. What happens if he snacks upon? Let's see how much in danger he is right here. Takes. And knight g2, that's what I was looking at. Knight g2, if takes, we check this way. King f1, and then checkmate. Yep, I was looking at knight g2. I love it. Okay, now we're going to play the 2152 from the great country of United Kingdom. Play well, my friend. Thank you for the challenge. Plays b5. Just develop? I think I could do this. It's probably not the best move, but he gets to develop. Now he's attacking it twice. And if I play this move, I think I can get away with it. I'm going to do it. It's a blitz game. I got to move faster, too. He already has a massive time advantage. Okay. I think we come here. Plays d5. Oh, and that's why he played queen c7? Can we do the sack? I think we have to take. And then I think we have to take. We have to castle. It's in the rules! Do I have c4 here? No. Yeah, there's a lot of pressure, guys. Wow, I didn't see the pressure. So we go now. This is a horrible move, but I have to. I have to. Because I could be losing a piece. Right. And then we come here. Defending the bishop. And then we get his bishop. White is better. That technically was a bad bishop, but he was better placed than mine, so I'm cool with it. Okay. Threaten checkmate, I guess. And then bring the rook. The queen comes back. There's no more threats. Threaten a different checkmate. The queen comes. Oh, it's pinned, so I have to kind of have to go. No, I don't. I can just... Yeah, this probably wasn't correct because he's gonna castle. So I guess we don't let him castle. Keep the rook out. I should have stayed here. That was a bad move. Yeah, it was a bad move. The knight comes back, looking for a good square. Try to just take and then... The knight's going to be too good. There it is. White is still better. Right. I don't think I let him infiltrate without... I think we push our majority, right? That was a good move. You kind of had to. Right. Push our majority. I don't know if that was a good move because I think he wanted to come forward. I think I get the pawn. Oh, I'm out of time. No! Ha! I spent too much time. But see, I'm just glad I played a good game against him, but I had no chance to win that game, guys. I played good moves, but he outplayed me. I mean, he was up a full minute out of 3. And I spent... That's what it took for me to get a good position, was for me to use a million things. You had bishop back, fella, or e4. You were hovering over g6. Man, I wish I would have seen that game. I wish I would have looked at it when you said that, because now I don't remember. Do you know who the game was against? Do you know who the game was against? Because I want to look at it. I could have taken a queen. Do you remember who? Can you read the name? Did you know? The guy that hung his queen a few games ago? Yeah, Samu, good game. If you would have lost, I may have given you a rematch. But, in order to keep things moving, we let everyone play one game. On Bullet Monday, I play bullet chess on Mondays, 1-minute chess. Then... After you've played, maybe stay out for a little bit, let a few new people get to play, and then you can jump back in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I wish I knew what that was. Yeah, should ask for ID to beat cheating in this game. People would still cheat. If there's money on the line, people give their ID. People walk into a bank and falsify documents to get money. You know what I mean? It's like, people are still going to cheat. But with the check in this position, this must be winning. Yep. Just king b4. And then he can't defend the pawn. Yeah, he can't defend the pawn. He starts attacking stuff, but I get this with check. It was the last game? Was it the last game before this? Oh, wow. Well, there you go. Well, we don't have to go far. Oh, against Falevo. Did I drop my queen or he dropped his? Are you sure it wasn't that the game before that? When you blundered the knight check that took your rook. I feel like it was this game. Was I playing black or white? Was it this game? No, it wasn't this game. No. Okay, so it was the Falevo game. Ah, so I still won. Let's see. No. See, it was longer ago than this. You said like something on G6? Those were the last two games. There was nothing on G6. It was against Silent. Okay, I'll go back and look at the Silent game because I missed it. But I was saying in this position, though, guys, it's actually better. Yeah, it's better to take the knight or take the bishop than it is to take the queen. People are queen hungry. They're like, a queen. I made a short because some guy in chat one time was saying, like, I was explaining how if you get 3 pieces for your queen, that's good. You almost always want to trade your queen for 3 pieces if there's a chance to. 3, meaning like 2 bishops and a knight, 2 knights and a bishop. And the guy said, yeah, but there's like a moral loss, demoralization when you lose your queen. And it's like, you're not losing your queen. You're winning material. You're winning material. Winning the queen feels good, but being up a piece feels good too. And it's still my move. Okay, back to that silent game. Let's see. Let's see. The silent game. And it's at the end. Let me do the review and look at the squiggler. And the squiggler will tell me where it was. Because it will be... There's nothing here, man. It's dead equal down to here. Yeah, 2 rooks is better, but it depends. Is this the position you guys are talking about? This is where I blundered. Supposed to just pull a rook back. Anywhere but give the rook. And then I played this because this takes with check. I didn't see it. How old are you? How old do you think I am, Azaz? Yeah, see, I think you're talking about a different game. You were yelling no at the screen. Depotes Gambit, bro loves to hang his queen. Queen is hanging. Yeah, I did. Oh, that's from back when I actually was hanging my queen. Blunderbale says 57. Anyone else? Azos, the person that asked, I want them to guess. 23, Azos. Oh! You're so kind. Or 24. 23 or 24. Blunderbale is really close. I am number 5'8". I am number 5'8". Falevo says, oh no, don't show this. It was embarrassing. No way, man. They were telling me a move that I didn't see. And I'm like, it wasn't from this game, was it? Yeah. Don't bother, mate. It was when knight h5 and you almost played queen g6. Knight h5. Oh, here. In this position, I was doing this, and you guys were going, no! No, I'm glad I found it. I mean, sometimes it's not worth it to go that deep into it, right? But I wanted to know what you guys were talking about, man. Jack plays chess, 3-minute unrated. Let's play Jack, folks. Let's play Jack, 3-minute unrated chess. Oh, I think he started another game. I was too slow. Guys, I absolutely have to eat food or else I'm going to collapse. I'm going to collapse on camera, guys. I think it's against terms of service. I think self-starvation is probably against all platform terms of service. So I gotta get running, man. Guys, if you guys like what you see, if you get any value from this chess community, from this great thing we're doing here, we've been doing it for 5 years, which means I'm gonna be here again, Monday through Thursday, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time, 3 o'clock. Bullet chess on Monday, tactics Tuesday, tournament on Wednesday. Go over my tournament games, tournament recap, and 3-minute chess on Thursdays. And we do gaming at night too. I play Elden Ring most of the time. It's the game I usually play at 8 p.m. So I freaking love you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take Jackson. He's here. He's back. Or Jack. Jack plays chess. Jack, did I like? Did we one of us raid each other or something? Are you a streamer? Played E4. There we go. Ball chair. It's weird. He challenged me, and when I challenged him back, it said I couldn't challenge him right now because I figured he was playing another game. But then he challenged me, and I accepted, and nothing. Here we go, guys. Silent checkmate. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we help take care of each other, and we help each other get better at chess. I freaking love you guys. Catch you guys at 8 p.m. for the gaming stream. Hit like, follow, comment on the way out.